my beauties, it's Miss Unique Beauty in the building, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I completed this Jamaican flag inspired makeup look. The three main eyeshadow palettes that I will be using today is the Thrive by Juvia's Place, the Zulu by Juvia's Place, and the Chocolates by Juvia's Place. The first palette that I'm going to take is the Thrive by Juvia's Place, and I'm just going to use that dark green shade to outline the crease of my eyes. Now, although all of the fun Labor Day activities are canceled due to this pandemic that we're in, I still decided to create this fun festive makeup look to represent for all of my fellow Jamaicans out there. Wagwan, my beauties! Now the next shade I'm going to take is this medium green shade, and I'm just going to use this to buff out the edges of that dark green color. And I'm just going to blend until it all looks smooth and seamless. Now I'm going to go back into that dark shade and use it to deepen the crease. Now I'm going to go in with that lightest green shade in the same palette, and I'm going to use this right on my brow bone to highlight my brow bone and to blend in all the colors together. Now I'm going to take the Chocolates palette, and I'm going to use the darkest brown in the palette and use it right on my crease to give my eyes the illusion of the black color in the Jamaican flag. Now I'm going to take my Rumor 2 P. Louise base, and I'm going to use this to carve out my cut crease. Now when you're cutting your crease, you want to be super careful, because it's very easy for you to make a mistake. Me, I've made a few mistakes and I end up having to make my crease wider and wider, which is fine, you know, we'll just work with it. But you just want to take your time. Do not rush. Practice does make it perfect. Now once you're done cutting your crease, you want to just take a fluffy eyeshadow brush and just use it to smooth out the product on your eyelid. This is what my cut crease is looking like once I smooth it out. Next I'm going to take my Zulu palette, and I'm going to use that yellow shade and apply it to all of the areas of where I applied the Rumor 2 P. Louise base. Now I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Trophy Wife, and I'm just going to go over that yellow shade with this highlighter. This will definitely give your eyes the pop you're looking for. Now I'm going to take my Revlon Super Skinny eyeliner and use it to line the top of my eyes. Now when you're doing this, you want to follow the wing that you've already created with that gold eyeshadow. Now this is what my eyes is looking like once I've completed adding all of my eyeshadows. Now I'm going to finish doing the rest of my face off camera and I'll be right back. Now this is what my face is looking like once I've applied my foundation, concealer, contour, blush, and y'all know I had to go in heavy-handed with that highlighter. Now I'm going to take this beauty supply store eyeliner and I'm going to use this to line the bottom waterline of my eyes. Now I'm going to go back in with that dark green color from the Tribe palette and I'm going to use that to deepen my bottom waterline. Next I'm going to go back in with the lightest green shade from the Tribe palette and I'm just going to use this to highlight my bottom waterline. Now I'm just going to apply my Stila mascara to my bottom lash line. Now this is where the fun begins. I'm going to take my Duo Lash Glue and I'm going to use this as an adhesive to stick down all of my rhinestones. The first thing I'm going to do is place my largest rhinestone right in between my two eyebrows. The next thing I'm going to do is apply 2 dots of glue on either side of my eyebrows and apply the next size down of rhinestones right where I placed the glue. Now I'm going to continue the same process, and as I continue to add more dots of glue, I'm going to gradually use smaller rhinestones once I reach towards the ends of my eyebrows. This glue does a really good job at keeping your rhinestones on all day. This glue is also really great because once you're ready to take your makeup off, it comes right off. It does not give you a hard time to remove. Next, I'm going to apply 2 more rhinestones vertical from the larger rhinestone in between my eyebrows. Now I'm going to add 2 small rhinestones by the tear ducts of my eyes. Next I'm going to take my Juvia's Place lip liner in the shade Cola and I'm just going to use this to outline my lips. Now I'm going to take my lip gloss from my nude collection in the shade Stripped and I'm just going to apply this to my lips. You can purchase this lip gloss on my website pressedbymissuniquebeauty.com. I will leave the link to this lip gloss in the description box below. Now this is the completed look. Now I was able to show you guys how I created this fun and festive Jamaican flag inspired makeup look in remembrance of all the fun Labor Day activities that were canceled this year. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Later, my beauties!